Trello can be effectively utilized for recruitment by streamlining the hiring process, organizing candidates, and facilitating collaboration among hiring teams. Here's how to use Trello for recruitment. Create boards. Set up separate Trello boards for each job position or recruitment project. Each board represents a specific hiring initiative. Set up lists. Within each board, create lists to represent different stages of the recruitment process, such as open positions, applicant screening, interview scheduled, offer extended, and hired. Add cards for candidates. Create cards for each candidate, containing their resume, cover letter, and any other relevant documents or information. Include details such as job title, experience, skills, and interview notes. Track candidate progress. Move cards across lists as candidates progress through the recruitment process. This provides visibility into the status of each candidate and helps prioritize follow-up actions. Assign ownership. Assign ownership of candidates to specific hiring team members by adding them as members to cards. This clarifies responsibility and accountability for candidate communication and evaluation. Use labels and categories. Utilize labels to categorize candidates based on criteria such as skills, experience level, or location. This helps in filtering and prioritizing candidates effectively. Collaborate and communicate. Encourage collaboration among hiring team members by using comments and mentions on cards to discuss candidate progress, share feedback, and coordinate interview schedules. Monitor recruitment metrics. Regularly review boards and recruitment metrics to assess hiring performance, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to improve the recruitment process and candidate experience.